Hi, it's me again, Miss Bridget. So for today guys, we are here in Siquijor together with my friends. We just have our day tour here. So we need to manage our time. At the same time, we need to pass jud. So we arrived here in Siquijor around 6 a.m. in the morning. Yes, we arrived early kaayo since day tour lang nga mo andi diri. So later on guys, I will tell you how much we spend each in our day tour here in Siquijor Island. If you're looking for rides, makaabang ra jud mo diri sa Pantalan. For only 350 pesos na mo yung motorbike. Of course, need nila og license. We take our breakfast here in Chaka. They serve European and American breakfast. So for those people into diet or like let's say healthy living, Chaka is perfect for breakfast jud siya. Well, the video ko, this cat get me attention. Kaya every time mag-video ko, sige ko siya galing isa akong video. So ako siya yung-videoan and focus ko siya kayo. So while my friend taking their order, nagbuwa ang person, ano ka dyan? Wala man na shot. So these are the ambience of Chaka. Instagrammable jud siya kaayo. So mali siya among gi-order. After we take our breakfast, here we go. Ato na sa mong una nga tourist spot nga pagatuon, which is in Cambugahay Falls. So the one who took the video is my friend because makita ninyo I'm driving, busy ang girl on drive. So we are very excited to go in Cambugahay Falls. Actually, it's our second balik na dyan sa Cambugahay Falls. So we know already where is it located and kabalo na po ni kung asa siya agion. So here we go guys. So balakaw mga person. So makita ninyo how beautiful is Cambugahay Falls. So naipang first target. So we tried their human drone. So donation lang kung gusto mo na ay tourist guide. And also, kanang nga balsa, it's only 20 pesos per each. By the way, ang entrance fee sa Cambugahay Falls, it's only 50 pesos. So, dili ra kayo siya makabus na itong balsa. Na-enjoy pa ang mga person, di ba? Kita ninyo, we are so very enjoyed sa among pagsakay sa balsa. They have also Tarzan. Kung gusto mo Tarzan, kung kusgan dyan mo kaayo, it's only 20 pesos na po. So, saan naabot ang 2,000 pesos mo for day tour lang? So, nagsyagit-syagit niya na. Pero nanabi niya kay sino delikado. So, we take some pictures together with my friends. So, here we go. This is the outcome of the pictures sa human drone na nag-video of nag-picture sa ako. It's really amazing. It's very beautiful. Nice kasi lang kuha. And then we touch down here in Hapitanan. Sa katong gusto nga mulupad nga wala rin pliti-pliti, you can try here in Hapitanan. So they have also souvenirs, makapili mo different kind of souvenirs. So as you makita ninyo ang akong mga friends, attire kayo mga person. Actually ganangukay dyan na sila para maka-attire. So makita ninyo akong sa amiga diba? Sino ka dyan? Ready to fly na kung siya. Makita niyo mo yung outfit is really rich jud kayo. Diba? Shout out to you, ID. From Hapitanan to Pitogo Cliff. Their entrance fee is only 30 pesos. For only 30 pesos, you can now try their Pitogo Cliff. So, the try ko go down. Scary ba good siya? Actually, it's not scary, but the impact sa balon is very strong good siya. pack, sino ka dyan? For our last itinerary, welcome to Paliton Beach. For only 20 pesos, you can now enter here in Paliton Beach. You can take picture whatever you want. Plus, if you want to try their swing for only 50 pesos, may free human drone ka na. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Try this kind of amazing and exciting swing.